So after selling over 5,000 items starting at 99 cents with free shipping on eBay, I figured out it doesn't work. And the reason is this: every single item costs $2 to $3 for us to list and ship with supplies. Every single item costs, let's say it's sold for $10, it would be $1 to $2 in fees. The item costs money to purchase, the cost of goods sold, and the shipping. So let's say it's $3 shipping if people combine a lot of orders together. Let's say it's an average of $3 per item to ship. Let's say it's an average of $2 per item to list. Let's just average up and add those together and another $2 for the fees. We're left over with what, like $1 or $2 or $3, and that's the cost of the item. So if our average sale price was about $9 to $10, and at that price point, it actually is break even or we're slightly losing money. So in order for it to work, it needs to be a higher priced item. So if we auctioned it off, it would have to average $20. If it averages $20, we actually start making money. Our average was $10, and despite my best efforts, we could not increase it higher. With a lot of effort, we can, but it's going to take too much time, because if the items take more time to list, because they're a little more expensive and need a little bit more detail, then those costs go up on top of the fees, go up on top of, let's say we did some lots, the shipping goes up. And so if it still sells for 20, it's no good, because all of those other costs go up as well. That's why it didn't work, and that's why we're changing our business model.